Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. I am your English teacher of class 2 from IYS school. Before starting the unit, I will share some instruction. Kindly listen it carefully. Everyone have to keep their book, pencil and notebook with you. If you need to ask any question, you can ask at the end of class in the chat box. Today we will learn about essay writing. Essay writing is a great way to express our feeling, thoughts and emotion in a written form. We also share our ideas, events and happening around us in a writing form. It is called essay writing. So today we will write essay writing. So first we know how we start the essay. When we start an essay, we write the topic name. Okay. So when you write any essay, you will write the topic name. You know about the topic name. Okay. There are three main parts of essay writing: introduction, main body, conclusion. In the introduction, we will write the topic name, for example, my aim in life, my favorite country, my favorite personality, national hero, and my favorite pet, my favorite animal. Okay. And if you want to write about the scientist, my favorite scientist, so you will write about that. Okay. So for example, we will take the essay my country. So what we do, we will write about the introduction. Okay, when Pakistan came into being, what is our country name? Okay, what are the population of our country? How? What are the color? Now we will, and the next heading is main body. In the main body we will write when Pakistan came into being, how many provinces are there, what are the big cities of Pakistan, what are the special thing of Pakistan, what is the color of Pakistan flag, and what is the weather of Pakistan, and which language we are speaking in Pakistan, and which dress we are wearing in Pakistan. Okay, we will write all the things about Pakistan, or because we are, for example, we are writing our essays on my country. So in conclusion, we will end our topic. Okay, how many places are visit, how people are come for there, why, what are the special thing of this country, what are the history of Pakistan, what are the historical places, what are the main building, and why Pakistan is famous for. These all are the introduction of any essay. So when we start essay writing, we will follow three main topic: introduction, main body, conclusion. So in the introduction, general idea. Okay, you will write about general idea. What is your idea? Okay, and outline of the topic. You will write the outline of the topic. You will mention the name of the topic. In which topic you will write about your essay. Okay, in the introduction, you will write the main topic. Body. In the body, you will write about main topic, in which topic you are writing about. Write two paragraphs. In the class 2 level, we will write two paragraphs. Okay. Explain point in three or four sentences. It means that you will write three or four sentences in the one paragraph. Then you complete your paragraph. You will complete your two paragraph in 10, at least 10 lines. Okay. This is the class 2 level. So you will write 10 lines about it. Okay, we have two paragraph and we will write 5 to 10 lines in the main body. Okay, conclusion. In conclusion, we summarize our essay and provide a conclusion statement content with the topic. It means that you will summarize your topic and provide a conclusion statement. Okay, why you like that? What is the reason? What are the main idea of this essay? Why you select this topic? So you will end of the topic. You will write the conclusion, end of the topic, contact with the topic. Okay, connect with the topic. Yani it's mean that you will connect with your essay with the ending. Why you select this hobby or topic. Okay, these are the main instruction about essay writing. First is introduction, second is body, third is conclusion. In the introduction, you will write general idea, outline of the topic, and body, write about main topic, write two paragraph, explain point in three or four sentences, and in the conclusion, you will summarize your essay, provide a conclusion statement. It means ending. Connect with the topic. You will connect with the topic. In the three main parts are the essay writing. Today we will select my favorite holiday. Our topic is, as we will select the topic, my favorite holiday. So we will write about my favorite holiday. Our topic is, so for which day we select? We select Eid ul Fitr. We select Eid ul-Fitr. Our topic is Eid ul-Fitr. In Eid ul-Fitr, when you write an essay, you first, you know about the topic. Write the name of your favorite holiday. Okay, we will select the topic. My favorite holiday. Which the topic we select? We select Eid al Fitr. It's been that our topic is Eid al Fitr. So I select holiday. Do you know holiday? Holiday mean off day when all the school and colleges are closed. There are many holiday like in the Eid holiday, Independence holiday, and Sunday is also holiday. These all types of holidays are called holiday. So today we will select the essay writing Eid ul Fitr, and my favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. Okay, write the month of your favorite holiday. Which holiday you select, you will write the month and date when we are celebrating that day. For example, we are celebrating the Independence Day. Last day we learned about that. If 40, on 14 August we celebrate our favorite holiday. But today we will take the essay Eid ul Fitr. So when we celebrate Eid ul Fitr, we celebrate Eid ul Fitr on the first month of Shawwal, the first day of Shawwal. Okay, month is Shawwal and date is first. Okay, we celebrate that holiday on month of Shawwal and the date is first Shawwal. Okay, what do you like about your favorite holiday? It's in that you will write about what your favorite thing. Why do you like that holiday? For colorful dresses, bright, you decorate your home. Why you like that day? What are the specialty of the day? You dress up with the colorful dresses. Your dress is bright or light. Which you want to do, you can write in your essay. Okay. Describe what do you do on your favorite holiday. What you are doing in your favorite holiday. You dress up, eat, decorate home. This is your choice. Okay, what do you do? What do you want to write in your favorite holiday? So how you dress up, what the special thing you eat in that holiday, how you decorate your home. So these all are the point about essay writing. So first you will write the topic name, holiday name, then the month. You will mention the month name, when the month is celebrating, when the holiday is celebrating. Okay, what do you like about your favorite holiday? Why you like? What are the special thing that you like in your favorite holiday? Okay, and describe what do you do on your favorite holiday? What thing you do on your favorite holiday? You will write about it. Okay, these are the main point for the essay writing. And now we are writing about Eid ul Fitr. So these are the main point of Eid ul Fitr. Now I am showing the verb about Eid ul Fitr. There are the main special point of the Eid ul Fitr. So you will take the screenshot of this verb. This mind map is also help you when you write an essay writing. Okay. So first point is favorite. It means that which day you select, why it is favorite. Your favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. Okay, holiday mean off day. When you are celebrating, okay, this is your holiday which you select Eid ul Fitr. So when we are celebrating Eid ul Fitr, we celebrate Eid ul Fitr on the month of Shawwal. Date is first Shawwal. Okay, so what you do? What you do in your holiday? You dress up. We wear new dresses and colorful dresses, and girls like wearing chuniya and other mehendi and applying mehendi. These all are the special thing of this event. Okay, mosque. We went first of all. We go to the mosque and for the pray for the Eid pray. Okay, it's called the Eid pray. Okay. Eid pray, Eid pray. Mostly boys are going for the Eid al Fitr pray, and they go to mosque for the pray. And they after Eid namaz they greet with each other and say Eid Mubarak. Okay, we get Eid from our elders. Okay, and sibling also. So it is a special gift of Eid al Fitr. These all are the main point that I will provide you. You will take the screenshot. Okay, in on Eid al Fitr, in the first, what we do, we celebrate Eid with our family, and it is a very happy day for us. So we say Eid Mubarak to everyone. We go to mosque to offer Eid prayer because after namaz Eid we greet everyone and we say Eid Mubarak. So boys are goes for mosque for Eid namaz. We pray for all Muslims and being and well-being. We pray for all Muslims and well-being. We greet each other and say Eid Mubarak to everyone. We go to our relatives to enjoy Eid day. We get gift from friends and siblings. We get Eid from our elders. These all are the important point about Eid al Fitr. Okay, so this is our essay. Essay is my favorite holiday. You will take screenshot of this page because you have to write in your fair copy. Write an essay on my favorite holiday. Our essay is my favorite holiday. Write an essay on my favorite holiday. My favorite holiday is Eid al-Fitr. It is on the first day in the month of Shawwal. We wear new dresses and decorate our home on this day. On Eid day, we go to mosque early in the morning for Eid prayers. What we do? My favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. You will take the screenshot of this page because you have to do in your fair copy. So you will take the screenshot. Again, I am repeating. My favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. It is on the first day in the month of Shawwal. The month is Shawwal. We wear new dresses and decorate our home in this day. On Eid day, we go to mosque early in the morning for Eid prayer. This is the first paragraph for essay writing. You will take the screenshot. Again, I am repeating. My favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. It is on the first day in the month of Shawwal. We wear new dresses and decorate our homes on this day. On Eid day, we go to mosque early in the morning for Eid prayer. This is the first paragraph of essay writing. Now I will show the second paragraph of essay writing. You will take the screenshot of this page. Okay. After the prayer, we greet everyone. Greet me to meet everyone and say Eid Mubarak. After the prayer, we greet everyone. We visit our grandparents' house and we get Eid from elders. We go to our relatives' home, grandparents' home, and our friends' home, and we get Eid from elder. Mothers cook delicious food, and we enjoy with our family and friends. Again, I am reading. After the prayer, we greet everyone. We visit our grandparents' home house, and we get Eid from elders. Mothers cook delicious food, and we enjoy with our family and friends. Again, I am repeating. After the prayer, we greet everyone. We visit our grandparents' house and we get Eid from elders. Mother cooks delicious food and we enjoy with our family and friends. Now I am explaining this essay from the starting. My favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. In the first paragraph, in the first line, we will write our topic name. Our topic is Eid ul Fitr. It is the when we celebrate Eid ul Fitr, we celebrate Eid ul Fitr in the month of Shawwal. And what is the day? The first day in the month of Shawwal. So we will also write about the date when we celebrate that day. Okay. So what we do on that day? We wear new dresses and colorful dresses and decorate our home with on this day. What we do, we wear new dresses and decorate our home with different buntings and flowers. And on Eid day, we go to mosque early in the morning. First of all, we go for the prayer for Eid namaz. After Fajr namaz, we go for the Eid prayers. Okay, and where we go? We go to the mosque and big ground for the praying Eid namaz. It's called Eid prayer. After prayer, we greet everyone and we say Eid Mubarak. We visit our grandparents, friends, and also family members, our neighbors. We go to their houses and enjoy Eid. And we also distribute sweets and delicious food for them. And we get Eid from elder. Mothers cook delicious food. Our mother cooks delicious food for us, and we enjoy with our family and friends. Okay, this is our essay. Again, I am repeating. You will take the screenshot. This is the first paragraph. My favorite holiday is Eid ul Fitr. It is on the first day in the month of Shawwal. We wear new dress and decorates our home on this day. On Eid day, we go to mosque early in the morning for Eid prayer. This is the first paragraph. Okay, you will take the screenshot. Next paragraph. After the prayer, we greet everyone. We visit our grandparents' house and get Eid from elders. Mothers cook delicious food and we enjoy with our family and friends. This is the paragraph number 2. You also take the screenshot of this screen. because you have to do this work in your fair copy. This is the essay Eid al-Fitr. Okay, now I will share the more about Eid al-Fitr, how we celebrate. Muslims celebrate Eid every year two times. This means that Muslims celebrate Eid every year two times. The first Eid is Eid al-Fitr and the second Eid is Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha. In Eid al-Fitr, we Muslims celebrate that day on the first month of Shawwal, and Eid al-Adha we celebrate on the month of Zilhaj. On the 10th day of Zilhaj, Muslims perform Hajj and also pray for Allah. For Muslims celebrate this Eid every year in the month of Zilhaj. Okay, and Muslims also sacrifice animals in the remembrance of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Okay, this is the two times of Eid. Okay, first Eid is Eid al-Fitr and second Eid is Eid al-Azha. The first one is Eid al-Fitr on the first day of the month of Shawwal. Okay, now what we are doing, we are writing about the Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Eid al-Fitr, and the month is Shawwal. Muslims celebrate that Eid. Okay, it's called Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of the month of Ramadan. Which marks at the end of the month of Ramadan. It's been that the last day of the Ramadan when the Muslims are celebrating when the month of Shawwal is starting. On the first day we celebrate Eid al-Fitr. It is the first day when Muslims break the fast of Ramadan. After Ramadan fast, we break the fast of Ramadan and we celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Okay, it is the first day when Muslims break the fast of Ramadan. That's why it's called Eid al-Fitr, feast of breaking of the fast. That's why its Eid is called Eid al-Fitr, feast of breaking of the fast. Because Muslim fast for the 30 to 29 days, so it is called. In the month of Ramzan, we are fasting. We are fasting, so it's called feast of breaking of the fast. After Ramzan, we celebrate this Eid al-Fitr. That's why it's called Eid al-Fitr, feast of breaking of the fast. It is a celebration day for Muslim. So Muslims celebrate that day for feast of breaking of the fast. It's called Eid al-Fitr. That's why we are celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Before Eid prayer, we give zakat for the poor and needy people. Before the Eid prayer, we give zakat for the poor and needy people. It means we give fitrana, and we also give the zakat for the poor and needy people to help them. Okay. Families and friends gather to celebrate Eid. Families and friends are gather their homes to celebrate Eid. Okay, in this Eid, they go to their friend's house and their grandparents and friend homes to celebrate Eid. We play and have fun with our friends. Okay, children like to do that special thing for they buy balloons and go to their friends, and for fun they are going to parks and different places for enjoyment. We congratulate our friends each other, compliments and give compliment each other. Okay, again, it's a wonderful time of the year. Again, I am repeating, it's a wonderful time of the year, Eid al-Fitr, happiness of the everywhere. Muslims celebrate Eid every year two times, first day of the month of Shawwal, which marks at the end of the month, Ramadan. It is the first day when Muslims break the fast of Ramadan. That's why it's called Eid al-Fitr, feast of breaking the fast. There are five pillars of Islam: Kalma Tayyiba, Namaz, Roza, Zakat, and Hajj. In the month of Ramzan, it is necessary for the wealthy people to give zakat to poor people, and also we give fitrah to poor and needy people. Okay, why we give the zakat and fitra for the poor people to support them. Okay, on the day of Eid, after Namaz Fajr, we offer Eid prayer and we wear new cloth and distribute sweet among the relatives and neighbors. We visit our most of our relative and friend and we enjoy this day. Now I will share the essay writing of Eid al-Fitr with you. Again, you will take the screenshot of Eid al-Fitr. My favorite Eid. First, you will write the essay, my favorite holiday. This is the question. In the new page, you will write an essay, my favorite holiday. Okay. In the next page, you will start writing your essay. My favorite holiday is Eid al-Fitr. It is on the first day of the month of Shawwal. We wear new dresses and decorate our home on this day. On Eid day, we go to mosque early in the morning for Eid prayer. Next paragraph. After the prayer, we greet everyone. We visit our grandparents' house and we get easy from elder. Mothers cook delicious food and we enjoy with our family and friends. This is the second paragraph. The both paragraph you will write on the next page. Okay, in the composition part, already you have made your composition part in your English copy. You will write this essay in the composition part, paragraph number 1 and paragraph number 2. Okay, with a neat and clean writing. Now we will learn about spelling. Spelling page number 23 and 24 of your course book. Our topic is spelling. Page number is 23 and 24. We are learning about a night walk. The chapter is night walk. Page number 23 and 24. Spelling. Spelling. Course book page number 23 and 24. If you want to take the screenshot, you will take the screenshot. Otherwise, all the work is written in your book. Read the word below. They have the BL, CL, and FL sound. Okay. Read the word below. They have the BL, CL, FL sound. In the red color, what are mentioned? First word is BL sound word. BLOCK block. BLOCK block. It's called block. BLACK black. You listen the sound b b b l b l ok block black block black block black. The sound of BL sound word. The two words are BL sound word. Okay, the blue BLUE blue. Again the sound make blow blow BLUE blue. BLIND blind. Again the sound is BLIND blind. Block black blue blind. Block black blue blind. This is the sound of BL. Okay. Now the sound is clock CL. CL is written in the red color. CLOCK clock. CLOCK clock. CLAP clap. CLAP clap. The next word is cloud. CLOUD cloud. CLOUD cloud. CLEAN clean. The word showing that CL sound. Okay. Clock, clock, clap. Cloud, clean. Clock, clap. Cloud, clean. Okay, now the sound is FL. FLUTE flute. FLUTE flute. FLAG flag. FLAG flag. FLY fly. FLY fly. FLAME flame. Fly flame. Flute flag. Let's make the sound FL. Flute flag. Fly flame. Okay, so again I am repeating the word black, block, black, clock, clap, flute, flag, blue, blind, cloud, clean, fly, flame. Again BL sound word. There are four BL sound word. Block, black, block, black, blue, blind. Now CL sound. Clock, clap, clock, clap, cloud, clean, flute, flag. FL sound word, flute, flag, flute, flag, fly, flame, fly, flame. This is the FL sound word. So you have the BL, CN and FL sound word. Okay. So now I have a blanks. This is your book exercise. Exercise number B. Fill in the blank with the words from the word list above. Okay, number one is the sky is there. What is the color of sky? What is the color of sky? The sky color is blue. What is the spelling of blue? B-L-U-E, blue. Blue, B-L, show the B-L sound. Okay, blue. The word is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. The sky is blue. You have to fill in the blank in your course book, blue. Sentence number two, the dash is ticking. The dash is ticking. Ticking is the sound of what is the picture? In the picture, what thing is there? There is a clock. There is a clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. It is showing that C-L sound, clock. The word is clock. The clock is ticking. Okay, the clock is ticking. It means there is CL sound. First we learned the BL sound. Second is CL sound. Now the third one is I have a yellow toy. I have a yellow toy. See the picture. What is this? What is this? Block. Okay, the word is block. I have a yellow toy block. It's a block. Yellow toy block. The spelling is B-L-O-C-K, block. Now the sound is B-L, block. I have a yellow toy block. Again, I am reading. Number one sentence, the sky is blue. The color of sky is blue. Sentence number two, the clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Okay. Sentence number three, I have a yellow toy block. I have a yellow toy block. Its sound is BL sound. The first one is BL sound. The second one is CL sound. And the last one is BL sound. Okay. This is the page number 23. Okay. You have to take the screenshot because you have to do this work in your course book. Okay. Where you do this work, you will do in this work in your course book, page number 23. You will take the screenshot. Number four, Japan's national dash has two colors. You see the picture. What is the picture of? The picture of is flag. The Japan national flag has two colors. There are two colors, orange and white. Okay, Japan's national flag has two colors. Okay, the Japan's flag has two colors. Now the sound is FL. FLAG, flag. Japan's national flag has two colors. It has two colors. Okay. Number five, we will dash after the show end. What we do, you see in the picture, there are many hands. What we do, we clap. We will clap after the show ends. Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. C-L show the sound of C-L. Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. We will clap after the show ends. Okay, number six. The candle has a yellow dash. What is the yellow? Yellow flame. Candle have Candle have a yellow flame. The candle has a yellow flame. What is the spelling of flame? F-L-A-M-E, flame. F-L-A-M-E, flame. F-L is the sound of flame. Flame. F-L is make the sound flame. Clap, clap, up, clap. Flag, flag. Okay, this is the sound of FL, CL, and again FL. First word is flag, second one is clap, and third word is flame. Okay, this is the spelling words. You have to do this work in your book. You also take the screenshot of this page. Okay, so now I will share the homework. Write and learn essay in the composition part, my favorite holiday. Write and learn essay in the composition part, my favorite holiday. You have to do this work in your English copy. In the composition part, you will first make the title page of my favorite holiday. Then you will write the topic. Our topic is Eid ul Fitr. Our topic is Eid ul Fitr. You have to do this work in your copy. This is the copy work. And next work is complete spelling page number 23 and 24 in your active English course book. This work, the spelling work, you have to do in your book, course book page number 23 and 24. Okay, and the first one you will do in the copy work and second one is in the course book. Okay, this is your homework. You will take the screenshot of this picture. Okay, you will take the screenshot of homework. Again, I am repeating, write and learn essay in the composition part, my favorite holiday. My favorite holiday, complete spelling about page number 23, 24, your active English course book. This is the first one is the copy work and second one is the course book work. Okay, you understood? Thank you.